How about a little movie magic? So if you've never seen these giant pogies, these are double layer fleece made by a local guy here, works at the bike shop, Doug. I'll drop a link in below. And I wanted these because this is about the most Canadian thing I think I could wear. What is up? Happy New Year, everybody. Tire noise is pretty loud, but I thought I'd jump back on YouTube and say Happy New Year. You can probably guess it's freezing in Canada. Christmas was super cold, like -20s, and today it's warmed up all the way to -5. So I'm heading out on the fat bike for a ride. Here we go. Check it out, what a view today. Let's do this. Don't be icy, don't be icy. Yeah. Sweet. As always, the camera never does justice for how steep that little hill is. I love it. Oh. So welcome to 2026. This is Fish Creek Park. There's a freeway on that side, but behind me there's a good, I don't know how many kilometers. If I rode all the way east, it's probably 20 kilometers of trails here. But when we loop and loop and loop and go through all the woods here, there's some really cool riding. Well, we're not riding our motorcycles, so I laughed. I was gonna do one of those, you know, recaps of the year on Instagram, but I think I only posted 6 times, so never mind that. But yeah, this is what I do in the winter when I get motivated. Check out that bad boy. Rocky Mountain Blizzard. Lots of cool chrome egg stuff. Got my lights hooked up in case I don't get home in time. 27-inch cake eaters. I think there's a 4-inch or 4.5-inch. Full studs. And so riding full studded, it's a real mix of ice and snow, you know, just depending on where I am. You know, I come in on the paved trails, and so it's actually, you know, it's a funny thing with studs. It feels good when you're on the ice. Hope you all had a great Christmas and a great New Year. Everyone stay safe. Anyone down south riding your bikes, I'm jealous. Let's go ride some snow. So this is pretty much your worst nightmare on a fat bike. I'm the only one who's ridden a bike down here. It's mostly just deer tracks and a few footprints. I'm gonna go down here and see over there. In the summer, obviously, we can't get across here because it's a river. But it looks really shallow. So we're gonna go get across there. What do you think? Little portage. Whoop. Just went through the ice a little bit. There we go, back to the trail. Hilarious. Definitely a bike trail now. Yeah. So like I said, I'm running full studs. I'm only running about 5 or 6 pounds of pressure. Otherwise, you can't climb. If you don't have the low pressure the studs don't get any grip. Come on, get up there. Yeah, nice. Whew. That's how you do that. So what do you think? The main trail or the single track? Here we go. Super track today. Definitely way more bikers over here. Almost no ice, super smooth. Yeah. Hard to believe this is in the city. You know, like 10-minute ride from my house. Love it. Whoop-de-doos. Oh, tight. Woo! Is there even such a thing as fat bike air? Yeah. It definitely got something stuck in my rotor. It's that clicking noise. Nice. It's always wild on a fat bike. You know, these climbs look tiny. About 5 pounds of pressure and no traction. These big fat tires, you can lose your grip at any moment. It's just spinning out. No traction. It's all right, that's the biggest hill I'm gonna climb today. Wait till you see the downhill though. Love this spot. This is wild in the summer. The grass will grow like as tall as me. And so it's like you're riding through a cornfield and you don't even realize all these alders are here. Whew. Had to lose some layers there, it was getting hot. Quick drink before the downhill. A real cool pitch coming up. My juice not frozen yet. Here we go. Yeah. Sorry about the wind. Yeah. Nice. Hello. Thanks. I thought for a minute that was a bear. That was awesome. Now let's see if I can get up this King Hill. Let's go. Always bring snacks. So, in the meantime, check this out. Testing out the Apple Watch for the first time. And so I just got this on New Year's Eve. Yeah, doing my first, workout. We'll call this a workout. I've gone about 8 kilometers already. Just under an hour with stops. Yeah, my goal is not just on the bicycle, but on the moto, to be able to land my GPX files on my watch and not have to use my phone all the time. You're able to use trail forks and drop routes on them. So I took one that my buddy did on Pocket Earth, sent it to Trail Forks, and Trail Forks is an app on the Apple Watch. So I'm gonna try that out this summer and see what we can do with it in the winter here until it gets nice. There's those pogies I was talking about. My camera on the GoPro was dying, but check these out. That's some serious Canadiana. I love it. So thanks again. We're gonna do some different stuff on the channel over the winter, get into the Apple Watch a little bit, see if we can't be all fit and ready for moto season. Talk to you all soon. Cheers. So thanks for coming along today. Fun little ride. And maybe we'll do some more of this or go do some skiing. Let's just feel the burn, ladies. That was a big climb. My goggles are actually fogging up. Whew.